Okay, so I don't know if you can really hear the vibration, but watch this. So let me put the camera, it's just sit on the dash. So that's pretty bad. Honda Civic from underneath. Pretty big vibration. Found that the exhaust is laying right on the frame there. And that's because of this engine mount right here. You can tell that the bolt through the frame right here is supposed to be going through right here, and it's actually broken out and gone all the way, so the bit's stuck in the back of the engine mount right against the starting to break the back of that engine mount out. But yeah, the engine has moved at least a couple inches until the exhaust hit the frame right there. And that's basically what's stopping it. It was banging on that frame right there. And its vibration is pretty bad inside the car. So we've got to lift the engine up, move it back, put a new engine mount in. Okay, this is the mount that was in the car. This whole piece here was actually sitting in back of the mount, the whole mount to come out. And this part here was sitting in back of the mount. This mount here completely broke away. And then when this is sitting on the back, wouldn't let it go back. That's what's keeping the exhaust up against the frame in the front. So now we've replaced the mount. So now that's sitting there. Bolt goes right through the hole there. So you can't even see where the bolt goes through, because that's inside the frame. And then there's the big space you have between the front frame and the exhaust, where it was sitting on the exhaust before. So that should be a lot smoother and quieter now. A lot more room.